Breaking news! According to new presidential decree, monkeys are now banned from jumping on beds. The president has cited the health of monkeys as a key factor for the reasoning behind this controversial decision. Freeze! You are under arrest for violation of the new executive order. Listen, I understand you're upset, but unfortunately under the Patriot Act, what the cops did was legal. You are technically qualified as a terrorist because of jumping on that bed. Listen, I know this is frustrating, okay? I get it, I understand. I've been in similar predicaments with other clients. Well, I could get you a plea deal, okay? You'd have to sell out the person who sold you the bed and testify against the other monkeys. But if you do, I could guarantee you'd get a maximum of 1 to 2 years. Nothing crazy. You could easily serve that out and be gone. That's very noble of you. That is, truly. I commend you for that, but that does make this harder, and it doesn't mean we have to fight this in court. You do understand that, right? Financial costs and all burdens such as that will fall onto you. Okay, I understand. All rise for the honorable judge.
Order, order. Order. Everyone, take a seat. Plaintiff, please make your opening statement.
The monkeys you see before you are accused of jumping on a bed several times directly after being informed of an executive order preventing them from doing so. I'm here to prove that without a doubt these monkeys are guilty of committing this crime. And I hope you, the jury, end up making the truly lawful and rightful decision in this court case.
The defendant, you may make your opening statement now. Very well then. We will now be moving on to the evidence. If you would tell your lawyers to step forward now.
For my first piece of evidence, I'd like to call upon a witness, the police officer who arrested said monkeys on this fateful day. Your Honor, I can attest to these monkeys being guilty. I single-handedly walked in there and caught them doing it. There is no argument to be had. Those monkeys are guilty. They were jumping on the bed, all 5 of them. They are all guilty. My recommended sentence is jail for life, preferably in Guantanamo Bay. But I'd be willing to accept something a little more lenient, like death row.
Thank you very much for your suggestion, though it was unasked for. Now, if the defense would like to refute or bring a separate witness up to the stand.
Well, I'd like to say that this officer here, well, he's cringe. He was crossing his fingers. You could see it, I can see it. In fact, I'd even argue that his pants are on fire. This is very obviously a man who is not trustworthy. I object to him being used as a witness. Oh, come on, this is silly. We're having a trial against monkeys here. Can they even be in court? Can they even win court cases? Are they even considered legally entities by the state? This is an absolutely ridiculous proposal that we even have this sham of a trial. That's right, my client is correct. Even though there is an actively illegal precedent, we can be the first to set it up and as such, make the world a better place. Think of the benefits this would have globally to all monkeys. This would be a progressive move in the right direction and I endorse it. And there has been precedent of monkeys being capable of suing in the past, though it hasn't been successful, such as when PETA sued a photographer in the name of a monkey who took a selfie to have copyright ownership. And at last, I'd like to call my victim of this officer's aggression up to the stage. Now, how would you describe the way the officer handled the situation? And there you go. What my client claims truly is true, and even this law is absolutely bullshit and unconstitutional. We have the personal choice and freedom to decide what to do with our own health, and that shouldn't have any involvement from the government. My client reserved every right to jump on that bed, regardless of executive decree or whatever some bullshit president says. Thank you, Your Honor. I hope you find my client is innocent, as he truly, truly is. Thanks for watching. This was fun. I plan to make more stuff like this. And I will say it was probably one of the stupidest videos I'm ever gonna make, but I really enjoyed that.